and the girl who loves the sea. It calls me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ngibingelela bonke abantwana bizibane zamanzi izinzuza. Ngicela sikhulume about the journey of inzuza. You mostly hear about the signs of inzuza. You mostly hear about the good things when you have aligned with inzuza, but yes, you hear a few things about awakening yakho inzuza. What happens there? You know, you don't get the bad parts, the painful parts of the inzuza journey. Now let's just unfold a few things that happens during that journey. Before I start, Bantwana Betongo, I received an email where Ugogo was requesting that Ama videos Ami, can they not be only in isiZulu? I responded that I cannot do all my videos only on isiZulu because as Nzuza family, we come from different groups. Kuna Maxhosa, kuna Mazulu, kuna Besotho, and so forth and so forth. So I cannot ngikhiphele abanye abantwana ngaphandle. I have to be in a position where I can accommodate everyone. I have to be fair. So the only language that I knew that mostly abantwana bezinzuza would understand is English. So I'm very sorry if perhaps maybe some of you feel that why Gogo doesn't do these videos in isiZulu instead of doing it in English. It's because I have to be open-minded as well for the people who do not understand isiZulu. Okay, having said that, you need to understand one thing, that the Spirit chose you for a reason. The Spirit chose you because it knew that you're strong enough to handle whatever comes with the journey. So during a spiritual awakening, guys, I do not want to make this video long. I'll just touch on a few things. I know that most of us do go through an experience during the spiritual awakening of inzuza. Firstly, inzuza will give you all the signs, you see all the signs, you'll see everything, you'll see in the dreams, you'll see yonke that shows that when you better inzuza. And it will give you opportunities. Azokulethela khona imali. You know, when you're in business, your business will be doing good. At first, guys, I'm talking about at first, when the actual awakening of inzuza in you start, because it chooses a certain age. It depends on us, but it really chooses a certain age. Uguti, you matured enough now to handle everything about the spirit. So, as you're growing up, but come a certain age, it will start to awaken in you. And that is where la isubisifuna koni alignment, that is where la isisuka kona isifuna ukusebenza ngawe, or should it be where you need to, connect with it. Would it be to be for calling to heal or whatever? But comes a time when it says now it's time. So we're talking about that spiritual awakening of inzuza. It will first give you opportunities. It's giving you opportunities to get money to act. Izokunikeza opportunities if you're in business. Some months where you're seeing your business is blooming, it's growing, everything is just right in your life. You get a new job, you get everything you've been desiring for. You get everything that you've been wanting in life. Everything is starting to open up at a certain age. Everything is just starting to open up for you. My business is doing good. Maybe you're having a good job. All the good that comes, but all the good that comes for you to have money. Imali wenzani to start working on your spirits, to start working on your journey, because this journey requires you to have money. Yes, and the painful part is whatever that we go through, ukulungisa into esuke siyonakele empilweni yethu, because you need money, because everywhere we go, you have to pay for whatever that you need to get, So it will open up everything for you. Ikuvulele imali for everything to run smooth. But us being humans, we in the point which I've been praying for this, and finally God has answered my question, my prayers, sorry. And everything is just coming right in my life. And we tend to forget about the signs and everything that has been happening to show Buti. There's a certain spirit that lives within me, and sometimes not that you're ignoring, or it's not that you're forgetting, but it's just that you didn't understand. Sometimes the spirits will give you the signs, but the problem is for you to understand. In mentality yethu, indlela esicabanga ngayo, our way of thinking is not the same. Some of us catch up easily, some of us don't. No, we don't. And it really depends on our age, honestly, because if you're still young, by the time it's actually the time for awakening, and you're still young, you're getting all this good life, you exploring life, you enjoying yourself, you're going partying, you're seeing that actually, and I'm at a point in my life where I see things are going my way, clearly you won't understand that. This has been a door opened for you to fulfill a certain purpose. Izukugulisa, you get very sick. Ube nezifo that you can't even explain. Some of the things actually zifo ngazazi that you've never heard of. You get sick. You frequently be sick, getting sick from things that you don't understand, getting infections that you don't understand, getting a rash on your body that you don't understand. You get sick in many ways, in just many ways. And then thereafter, things will start falling apart in your life. You'll see that, no, man, something is not right here. You'll start losing a lot in your body. You'll start losing things, like talking about money. You'll see that, yes, I'm working, but how come now suddenly imali that I'm earning, my salary is just enough, to keep me going for a few days? When you're getting paid on the 30th, and yet you get your salary on the 30th, and then the following day, the 1st or the 2nd, you are broke, you have nothing, that what happens, your salary doesn't even last a week. That's how bad things become. You end up not able to pay for your house, your rent, your car. If you have a car, you have thoughts to resign because you can see that I'm working, but this is not working for me. If you're working, you lose your job, you lose your car thereafter because you can't afford to pay for it. You lose quite a lot of things, And above that, while you're still trying to understand what is going on, you sink into depression. You start to have suicidal thoughts. You start to isolate yourself. Well, actually, it's the spirits that's isolating you from everyone. It will isolate you from people you love, your family, your friends, your partner, your colleagues, or whatever. These people that you feel you get comfort or you're happy with, especially when you're a person who likes going out, who likes partying, who loves friends. It will isolate you from that. It will show you that you need to see people who is as they are, In the process of isolating you, removing you from people, at the same time, it's opening up your eyes. What you need to see the true colors of these people. I don't care whether it's family, whether it's friends or whatever, but you actually going to be open to how people really feel about you. So it will really, really, really remove all those bits. Whether it's a partner that you thought this person is very loyal to you, but if the spirit knows that behind those doors where you don't know what's going on, this partner is just not for you, it will remove that partner. You'll end up just being alone. You'll literally be alone. Thereafter, it's gonna open spiritual attacks. If I'm saying open, izoyegelela nje labantu abaphonsa ngesichitho, labantu, who are spiritually attacking you, abakuthakathayo, it will allow that. Uzozibona usunesichitho, you going through all of this yet again. You know how depressing it is that you're going through things that you do not understand in your life. Above that, you're seeing signs of a zichitho. You start not to understand what is going on in my life. Why am I experiencing all of this? Ulale ungadlile. Oh gosh, I don't even want to go to details of the trauma, of the pain, of everything obhekana nayo when you're going through the spiritual awakening of being taken away from life, taken away from society, taken away from everything. It will straighten you. It will teach you how to humble yourself, because above going all these challenges, you're learning to be humble. You're learning to be patient. It's going to teach you to be patient. It's going to teach you to be a prayerful person. You need to start praying. It's going to teach you now it's time you learn to actually learn how to pray. At the same time, understand one thing, that when you have the spirits, you also umntwana futhi ombathwa amadlozi asekhaya. You battling to adjust, you're battling to adjust to balance your ancestors and the spirit, because ancestors abo nabo abaney'khalo zabo amadlozi abanezikhala, especially umntwana ombathiwe, umntwana onesiphiwo, sorry, and especially if unobungoma and the spirits. So you get a lot of cindezeleka, because nezidalwa ngala ziyakhala ngezinto zabo ukuthi no, you haven't started what we wanted you to do. Fanele ngabe usiyasebenza wena, fanele ngabe ulapha abantu wena, fanele ngabe at the same time the spirit itself nayo ngala it needs its attention. It becomes so depressing, really. Uzufise ngisho ukuzibulala ukuthi why am I living? Why is this happening to me? It is very, very, very hard. I won't lie. It's it's a lot, good people, that you go through. Maybe we'll have a part 2 of this video. I didn't want to go much, but your life just starts to fall apart. So it is very important by that, when you're going through all that process, ukuthi understand ukuthi spirit sakho, where does it originate? Esakuphi? Esasolwandle, esasemfuleni, esesiziba. Where does it originate? You need to understand ukuthi esakuphi, so that you understand ukuthi where are you required to go for a connection with the spirits. But I understand. You don't think of all of that when things go wrong. Let me tell you something. Inzuza ayenzi all of this just to hurt you, to kill you, or to make you suffer for life, that you end up taking your life. No, it's not doing all of this to destroy you. It's doing all of this to get your attention. Angithi phela, if everything is smooth in your life and nothing is wrong, and you see nothing wrong, you're good, you're fine, everything, you're not going to take action. You're not going to see that, no, there's something that I need to do. So things need to be taken out of your life in order for you to see what there's something wrong. There are people that you love so much, your friends, that you cannot survive without. Labantu babona, they are everything in your life. Your partner, I cannot survive without this person. Whereby you forget everything else, it will definitely remove that person from you. The spirit will remove everything that you love and value the most, because mostly the things that it removes out of your life, it's things that are just not for you, It's things that you think are good for you, but they're not good for you. But as I'm saying, this is all done to get your attention. Clearly, whatever that you've lost, it will be restored. Once you've aligned with the spirit, it will make you suffer at first, just to get your attention. And once you catch the attention yayo, once you do everything, once you align, you cleanse, you align yourself, uyihlangane nenzuza yakho, nihlanganise abanye abantu bathi baniyashadiswa, whereby iphothula ngale ndlela yakhona, lolu khamba layo usulidlile, it's living in you. Trust me. everything that you've lost, it's going to come back. Everything. But the only thing that's not going to come back, it's the people that were not meant to be in your life. But whatever thing that you've lost, your car, your everything else, it will come back. Trust me, it will come back. And you will not even believe, Wuti, everything that was happening, it was just like a dream, because everything will just be normal and perfect. And to be honest, abanye bethu who are not meant ukuthi basebenze kamlungu, uzothi uyazama uku-apply kamlungu, maybe you do get called for interviews and stuff, but uthola ukuthi you are there for the interview, but you feel ukuthi I don't feel this anymore. Then suddenly ubone sekuzabantu coming for you for asking for consultations, for cleansing, whatever the calling le onayo wena, and you see ukuthi this is my purpose, this is where I'm meant to be, and you grow from that. The more you do a spiritual work, it's the more you grow from isphiwo nesonaso ophiwe sona. So yeah, I think that's something that is not mostly not discussed in ama videos amaningi that we go through. But whatever that you're going through, guys, I know there's a lot of people, bantwana bedlozi, Nkosi yami, bantwana bezibani zamanzi. I know there's a lot of you who are going through this process right now, but just trust your spirits, connect naso. Read your dreams, read your intuition, ukuthi kahle kahle esakhe spirit esakuphi la wena esekufanele ushone khona, to connect with the spirit and try and get the message ukuthi where is it leading you, ikuphi la fanele khona uthole usizo lokuthi uyiphakamise inzuza yakho, mi-connect nayo ngendlela efanele. And my Nzuza family, Inzuza is a very secretive spirit. It's a clean spirit. It's very secretive at the same time. Inzuza, it demands respect, So please, humble yourself every time. We pashela Inzuza, gada indlela nawo khuluma ngayo. And another thing, it hates umuntu who takes ama pictures or recording yourself during a cleansing yourself, recording umsamo wako, recording, everything that has to do with connecting with Tabatabatala. They don't like that. They don't like that at all. I, for one, my spirits, nabantabatala bangimbete, they don't allow me. When I'm going everywhere, whether I'm going for cleansing, to cleanse someone or whatever spiritual work that I'm doing, I do not take pictures. I do not take pictures of umsamo is called the Sami. I do not take pictures while I'm doing any spiritual rituals with people, any cleansing. I don't do that. So Inzuza is very secretive when it comes to that. But it depends on yours if it allows you to. But my spirits, it's very secretive. It does not allow me to do anything of that sort while I'm doing izinto zeshos. Sometimes you even see, especially spirits akubes na funu loku recorder, everything that has to do with izinto zabantu abadala. You'll see yourself ukuthi maybe you are a person, maybe you post it on social media, you post yourself on social media, you get 1K likes or more. Then you suddenly, while you're going through this process, you're trying to post yourself, you're seeing you're getting 10 likes, maybe 2 likes, you're like, what's going on? Then you need to understand that it's spirit circle. Because you're going through your awakening now, it doesn't want you to take pictures. It doesn't want you. Ufana njengomuntu zilile. When you're going through this process, you need to understand is spirit circle ukuthi sifunani kahle with you. And in order for that, you need to understand that. So sometimes you're trying to take a picture of yourself. I don't look good. You keep on deleting, it's the spirit that's talking to you. Lento yenzayo, what you're doing, I don't like it. Okay, Bantana Bedrozi, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, love you guys. Bye.